which of the following is correct? Number of moles equals number of particles. Okay, we need to remember that we have two main formulas here in chemical calculations that is related to number of moles. So that means just remember number of moles. Number of moles, it equals number of particles over Avogadro's number. Over Avogadro's what? Number. This is one formula. And the second formula, it is also for number of moles. For number of what? Of moles. And you're going to use it in other calculations. It equals what? Mass over what? Over molar mass. So these ones we need to remember them, that are related to what? To find number of moles. Okay, the question here now, if I go to see number of moles here, did this equation give me one of these two? No, so then this one is wrong. It has to give me a division as long as it is talking about number of moles. So that means it has to be fraction division. You see, numerator and denominator, whenever I'm talking about what? Number of moles in these two cases. So here now, number of particles equals, okay, Avogadro is, this one now is number of moles as you see, but it equals Avogadro's over number of particles. So that means it's opposite of this one. So that means this one is wrong. So that means now I go to traces either B or C. Now here they are talking about number of particles. I go back to the original formula here. Number of particles. If you want to get number of particles here, what are you going to do? If you have here and you want to find the numerator in such equation, just you send this one to the left as multiplication. So that means it's going to be number of moles times Avogadro's what? Avogadro's number. In this case, it will give you number of what? Of particles. So that means this one now is just one case of the main formula here. So that means number of particles here, it equals number of moles times Avogadro's number. Here, number of particles, Avogadro's number times number of moles. So that means this is what? Right. Here, this is, if I want to find Avogadro's number from the same equation here, if I want to find the Avogadro's number, just I swap these ones. So Avogadro's number, it will equal number of particles over number of moles. So as Avogadro's, it needs what? Division, not multiplication. So always the numerator here, it needs the multiplication, the numerator here. But if you have a denominator, that means it's going to be what? Division again. So then this one is wrong. I choose B as the answer.